Is the Motorola G85 still a good choice in 2025? You will see that in this video. I'll tell you what is great and what is not so great about this phone in 2025. Let's start. First things first, unboxing. When you open the box, you find the phone itself followed by a USB-C cable, a fast 33 watts charger, a SIM tool to open the tray, a clear back case, a quick start guide and some paperwork. This box has everything you need to start using the phone right away, but the screen protector is missing. The Moto G85 has a modern look with a big clear screen and a smooth curved design. The back is made with eco leather which feels soft even though it can wear out over time because we use a phone case for extra protection. So no need to worry. The phone is made mostly of plastic which makes it light. It weighs only 174 grams so it is easy to hold even after using it for a long time. This phone has a 6.67-inch POLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate. This means scrolling and playing game is very smooth. This screen can get very bright up to 1600 nits. So you can see it well even on a sunny day. The display is one of the best parts of this phone. The colors are clear and bright, making it great for videos, games and reading outside. However, some users may not find it good because of those curved edges. This Moto G85 is powered by a Snapdragon 6S Gen 3 chipset. It works well for everyday tasks like calling, texting, browsing and using apps. But if you try very heavy games, the phone can get warm and slow down a bit. I have already posted some testing videos of this mobile in the past. You can find those links in the description box. You can check out those videos for more detailed information. This mobile is perfect for medium to above medium users, but not best for heavy gamers. The Moto G85 has two cameras on the back and one on the front. The main camera is 50 megapixel. In good light during the day, the pictures are bright and clear. However, in low light or at night, the photos can look a bit grainy. The phone can only record videos at 1080p and 30 frames per second. And I wish it could do 4K video like newer phones. Because right now everyone is sharing their moments in social media and other platforms. You can check the detailed camera review video for more information and photos and video samples during the daytime and nighttime conditions. This phone has a big 5000 mAh battery. Even after many months, it lasts a full day with normal use, thanks to the Snapdragon processor inside. It supports fast charging with a 33 watts charger, which means in about 30 minutes you get enough power for almost a full day. But there is no wireless charging option. For me, it's not a deal breaker, maybe for you it is. The Moto G85 came with Android 14 and a near stock Android look. You like this clean and simple software because it makes the phone easy to use. Talking about the updates, it's not going on track with what they told us. So many users faced issues with the camera, battery drain, phone pay not working and more. Luckily, the mobile I'm using doesn't have any problems. Only one time I got some issues like lagging after the update. I just restarted the device. It's working super fine. The thing is, this problem is raised to only some models. Not every models encountered this issue. I don't know whether this solved this or not for the affected devices. If in case you are using the mobile phone and faced the problem, type your experience and update me in the comment section. So it is helpful for those who are new buyers of this mobile in this year. This one comes with extra features like number one, a water repellent design that protects it from splashes, but it is not fully waterproof. Another one is stereo speakers with clear sound. It feels like a lot of bass in the middle section of the mobile screen if the volume is at 100%. Next thing, it comes with a hybrid slot. You can use dual SIMs or one SIM card and one micro SD card. Next, it supports 5G with 13 different bands for fast internet. But it doesn't have any NFC where some people miss the mobile payments wirelessly. But again, this feature is not a deal breaker. I searched online and got comments in my video also from the users like how they are feeling after using this mobile phone. Here are some that shared by the users. Number one, the display. The screen is very bright and clear even on sunny days. So display is a big plus for this mobile. Number two, battery. They are still getting a full day of use without charging too often. If you are a very heavy user, you need to charge by evening, but for most of the users it is pulling one single day. Number three, performance. It is great for everyday tasks and schoolwork, but heavy games can make it warm. Number four, camera. Daytime pictures are nice, but low light can be a problem. Number five, software. It's simple and the Android experience is still very nice, but updates wise it's not that great. Overall, the Moto G85 5G is still a good phone in 2025 if you need a phone for calls, browsing, videos and simple games. It may not have the latest features like the 4K video recording or the newest software, but it works well for everyday use. So, is the Moto G85 5G is still a good phone in 2025? Here is my verdict. The answer is going to be yes if in case you need a bright display, long battery life and a simple clean phone for daily use. The answer is no if you want the very latest camera features or the newest software updates. Thanks for watching, and if you have any doubts, ping me in the comments or message me on Instagram. If you enjoyed the video and found it helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more honest reviews. See you next time.